What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Yes, it's the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you will be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Also, make sure you follow me on my Twitch, King Hussle Live. I do all my freebies and giveaways from those YouTube channels and that Twitch. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so you won't miss out on nothing. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you got to do is click the title on every video. Once you hit the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. Hey, let's get this thing started. Hey, what to do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers out there, my real Hussle Nation Empire family members. And we are back at it again with the gems, back at it again with the sauce, back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you're tired of being a zero? You ready to be a family hero? Listen up, take a seat, get your notepad and get your pen, because you already know when I drop these videos and y'all get them notifications, it's going to be some information that's going to help you win or keep you entertained. So with that being said, we got another King Hussle Jimmerton today. And today's video, we can talk about another credit builder bad credit loan. Yes, we've been talking about credit builder loans. We were talking about credit builder loans that you get on the back end, savings credit builder loans that we talking about, loans that you get up front, which are payday loans. So there's different type of credit builder loans that's available out there. And there's a lot of people that don't understand or don't know where to go or don't know like just where to get these type of loans. So with that being said, I'm going to give you guys the information, the resources, and the knowledge for you to be able to do that. All right, so without further ado, we're going to break down what bad credit loans are, how to structure your credit profile the right way so you can get a bad credit loan, and how you start repairing and building your credit profile and score so you can start getting to the credit world, which will help you build, win, and grow. All right, so when it comes to personal credit is the number one source of you entering the real world. So with bad credit, you're not going to be able to do anything, or you're going to have to pay way more money than the average American. So you go try to get an apartment, they check your credit. Bad. You have to pay a double deposit, or you might not get approved. You go get some furniture. You want to finance it. Bad credit. You might not get approved. You want to get a store card. Bad credit. You're not going to get approved. You want to get a car. Bad credit. You're not going to get approved. Now, some of these places might require you to drop a double deposit or have a cosigner to get approved because of your credit score. Now, most people, when they we wasn't taught credit in school. We wasn't taught business in school. We wasn't taught money management in school. We wasn't taught these things in school. So when we turn 18, we don't know how to manage it. We don't know how to really conduct ourselves with it. We don't know. We don't have the knowledge, the information, and the resources that we need to be able to properly manage money. So we turn 18, people get cars, you get credit cards, go to school, get student loans, do all different type of stuff. And as the years go on, people credit messes up. Then as people get older, they start to mature and see what's really going on out here in the world and see how important credit is. So then after so long of them not knowing credit and doing so many different things on their credit report, not caring, now they do care. Now they know what's important. Now they have a blueprint. Now they want us to open up a business. Now they want to do these different things, and their credit profile is bad. So now they got to start figuring out how to quote unquote clean their credit. See, knowledge goes a long way, because if we wasn't taught about how to manage money, wasn't taught about businesses, wasn't taught how to invest, none of these things, and then when we do get the money and then we do blow it and we do all these things, and we wasn't taught about how to properly structure credit or how to properly clean credit. We wasn't taught these things. So whatever people throw at us, we're gonna go along with it as long as it can get us money. We see things, we go off perception and we go for it. So people say, hey, clean your credit. People who want to clean their credit doesn't understand that having zero debt is never what you want to do in your credit report, because you need to show that you can manage money. And everybody has debt. And the oldest account on your credit report is how old your credit profile is. So people not understanding that you need age and you need payment history on your credit profile to be able to build your credit score. So people pay these credit gurus to go dispute and clean their credit. So now they got zero debt. But you got zero debt and you 45 years old, you 35 years old. So for 35 years, you haven't done anything. So now it's going to be even harder for you to do these things that you did before. You're going to need co-signers. You're going to have high APR rates. You're going to need to add um, credit builder loans, savings loans, not payday loans, but savings loans. You're going to need to do all of these things to rebuild your credit score. Now, people not knowing or having the information think that when you go buy these trade lines from people, these auto primary trade lines and these trade line packages, that is just going to stay on your credit report forever. They stay on your credit report for a month or two or maybe 3, and then they fall off. So once they fall off, it's no longer there, and it's no longer reported on your credit report. So it's no longer affecting, and you know it's not going to do anything for you. So for that 1 to 3 months that you have on there, you need to do whatever that you need to do. These are not permanent trade lines. So people spend thousands and thousands of dollars on these trade lines and then don't do nothing with it. Think it's just supposed to build their credit, and then it falls off, and then they be stuck in the same position and wasting money. When you're supposed to take those accounts on your credit report that are delinquent and start paying on them, because it's still reporting to your credit report. And once you open them, start paying them, it's going to reflect to your credit profile and your credit score, and it's going to start building it. And you're going to keep the payment history, the age, and the debt that you had before. You might have some late payments or whatever, but you're opening it back up and you're getting your that account in good standing. That's all that matters. Some accounts, cool, you can dispute off, but not every account. Because you dispute the oldest account off your credit profile, now your account is no longer 13 years old. It's the next account up, which may be 5 years old. So now you got a 5-year-old account that was credit profile that was just 13 years old. So I tell people, like, we don't clean credit, repair credit, because we're not cleaning anything, we're not disputing anything, we're just paying off things, those primary trade lines that you have. So once you get to certain standings and you need to start adding trade lines, people get credit builder trade lines. It's different. It's credit builder trade lines that are savings accounts, and there's payday credit builder trade lines that you get the money up front. Most credit unions and banks offer credit builder savings trade lines. And then there are some places that offer credit builder bad credit loans that are up front. So in today's video, we're going to talk about one of those places that offer a $5,000 upfront bad credit payday loan. And this place is Days Loan. Yes, Days Loan. They are helping people get the bag. All right, so quick and dependable loans to help you get the money you need. What sets you apart from connecting with the trusted lenders? So with the range of U.S. partners, top lenders, compliance with the state and federal regulations, and use of industry best practices, our special services guarantees expert lending services from reliable partners. So bad credit, okay. Start online, withdraw cash in your AC, global presence, and achieve goal. All right, so we offer the best services. So people get personal loans to help with home repairs, unexpected expenses, holiday shopping, and other timely needs. Obtaining these types of loans from our lenders can help you get the cash you need quickly. Fill out an online form and follow the instructions to see if you approved and receive a quick cash loan. So lender options, we connect you with a network lender based on your provided information. FICO welcome, save on multiple credit searches that negatively impact your FICO score. Fund access funds for large purchases, unexpected events, or debt consolidation. Flexible terms, enjoy terms up to 72 months with manageable monthly installments. All right, so 1 minute quick form. Apply in just 1 minute and get connected to lenders instantly. No delays or hassle. Your choice, your control. Choose from tailored loan offers that fit your budget and needs with full control, clear confirmation. Get prompt updates via email or SMS, text messages, keeping you informed at every step. Money at your disposal. Receive approved funds directly in your account with flexible repayment options. All right, so frequently asked questions. So why choose a personal loan? Are the application fees? What are the annual percentage rates? How do I repay the loan? What is my late rates? So here go the rates right here. So for $5,000, your interest rate will be 13%. The long term will be 48 months. The fee will be 12%. Monthly payment will be every $131 per $1,000. APR will be 18.23%. And these are all examples. Total payments would be $6,320.12. So total cost would be $1,920.12. And that's at that percentage. And this is just an example. This is not like, okay, this is going to be the for sure terms and the for sure rates that I get. No, everybody credit score is different. So everybody will have a different percentage. That's how it goes. So this is just somebody who gets this percentage rate. So the loan interest rate would be 13%. You might get a higher one. You might get a lower one. So it just all goes based off your credit score and your credit profile. All right. So that's why a lot of times people, instead of jumping up to get bad credit loans, they improve their credit score first that bank lender or group will be pulling from, so they can get a better APR, because nobody wants to be paying a whole lot of money on something. So that being said, man, check out Days Loan, $5,000 payday, bad credit payday loan. See what they can do for you, help you out with any expenses that you need for you to help win, build, and grow. Right. So shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all there being on me, y'all motivate me keep going, y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime 101 unlimited gems are $1,000, but for limited time only, I am doing them for 500. Yes, 500 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the 500 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. All right, no screenshots, no replies, no 21 questions, and please do not yo me. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the crypto tour in person, limited gems, $3,500, $500 deposit, the rest of the money me in person. Make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the month-long mentorship, 2,500, 30 days, 24/7 service. Anything you need help with, let's get to work. Make sure y'all checking out my vendor platforms on Telegram and the Potato App Millionaire Network and World. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameraman, women, gamer, streamers, and content curators. Any cameraman or women in Houston, Texas, or Milwaukee, Wisconsin, hit me up on my IG. Let's push out this content and run up a bag. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit the all notification bell on my YouTube channels and my Twitch. And make sure y'all follow me on my IG, King Hussle X1.2, for more free sauce, free methods, and information that's going to turn you into a boss. And make sure y'all checking out the crypto world, because it's changing people's lives. And with that being said, it's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down to the end of these videos. I will see you at the next lesson, video, or live. Peace.